So this machine can actually only hold up to 1 can before it can actually hold 2, and I will show that at the end of the video. So if you guys want to watch the whole video, that would be amazing. But as you guys can see, it only holds 1 can, and for the mechanism, you have to guess the right code. So it's not like any other machine. You actually have to guess the right code, and a can will dispense. So this machine actually used to hold 3 cans, and there is this little cartridge thing right here that actually held it, but it was just a little too heavy with the cans in it, and it actually snapped and put too much force onto the gears and the gear rack, so it actually snapped and was not good for it. And I actually went through 3 of them, and I just didn't feel like going up with or putting up with that. So once the right code is redeemed, then the motors are told to spin a certain degree forward, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and have an amazing day.